In today's video, we will be going over how to create a bidder account. The first thing we will need to do is go to MarkNetAlliance.com. Once here, we will go up to the upper right hand corner and click Create Account. On this screen, we will begin filling out the basic information: username, email, password, first and last name, as well as our phone number. Once done with the basic information, we will do billing information. Here again, we will fill out our first and last name, a company, if applicable, and our address. I now will scroll down and click on the button to copy my billing information to my shipping information. Once done, I will begin filling out my credit card information. Credit card information is required by most MarkNet Alliance companies to be able to bid. Once done, I will scroll down, click on the terms and conditions, and then click Create Account. Don't forget to follow us for more auction information and useful tech tips.